Okay, how do we can invert the content of a string? So let's resolve this problem. First, we can create a variable. We can call it, for example, language, and assign the string Python. Now, show we can show the content of that variable using the print statement. Okay, execute, and this is the content, the Python text. Okay, we can invert. I will add a new line. We can invert the content of this string using basically the slicing feature of strings. Create another variable called language inverse. Okay, inverse. Now, using the language variable, open a square parenthesis. Inside this parenthesis, we can use the slicing notation colon -1. What does this mean? The -1 is a value that indicates that the contents of the variable will read from the last character to the first in opposite order, from right to left. If we show the contents of this variable, this new variable, we get NOHTYP, language inverse. There is another two characters that we can explain in this notation, in this slicing notation. That two columns means that the contents of the language variable will be read from the first character to the last character, all the contents. And then with the -1 character, the inverse selection read will be performed from right to left. Okay, execute this code and we get this. This is the desired result. Python inverted, NOHTYP. Okay.